In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your YouTube on other devices. So first, you need to go to youtube.com, log into your account, or open the YouTube application on your device, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on Google account. Once you're in this page, go to security and sign in, which is between personal info and Google password. Go to the section of your devices, which is indicating where you're signed in. Tap on manage all devices. And here you can see the list of devices where you're logged into your account or you were logged in the past. Now to remove a device, click on it. And then you'll see the option of sign out over here. Go ahead and tap on that and tap on OK to confirm. If you see a device you don't recognize, change your Google password and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.